What the fuck?
You got allergic reaction.
Oh, what the?
Jeff, when he eats a peanut. Jeff, he ate a peanut. He ate a peanut, Jeff.
No.
Monkey.
Dude, quarantine has fucked us all up so badly. It's beyond belief.
It really has, bro.
It's actually like affecting everyone.
Adam's drowning.
Some of us more than others.
Bald Adam.
Oh, you shake your head? Look,
Yeah. What's up, man?
oh.
The fuck?
I don't like I don't like being here at all anymore.
What the fuck is this?
Oh my god, what the
This is so dumb. I swear to God.
That suit is so upsetting. Oh, dude, I can't. I fucking can't.
I'm an eggplant. Why is there abs on my face? Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to be live on Twitch as this video goes up. Twitch link's going to be in the description and down below as well. I really appreciate if you guys can stop over while I'm streaming and say hi. If you are new here and you're enjoying the Discord content, I'd really appreciate if you could leave a like, turn on the post notification bells, and subscribe if you're new for more Discord content in the future. Also, we have a Discord. If you have Discord and you want to join, it's going to be top link in the description as well. Get yourself in there. There's some cool people in there, so you'll get to interact with people and stuff, and myself. Really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like and let me know what you think in the comments. As always, I hope you enjoy. Everybody take care and God bless. Peace.
Stop piling, Lord. Stop
Him
piling.
being so low pixelated and just stretched is terrible. Your smile seems so big.
Oh my god.
Irish SpongeBob.
I'm a pineapple. There's some weird ones.
That one fucked up your hairline.
I was about to say, that one fucked up your head. Bro, you got the verified mark on your head. Adam, you ain't got no more.
Call it pinhead.
You know what I mean? I didn't expect that.
Make him.
The fuck? What?
Adam, I beg you, stop. How did you give yourself a hanger?
Bro, I can't breathe. Oh, bro. Fucking hell, dude.
Dude, fucking take it away, man.
Oh, God.
Dude, what I mean, I couldn't handle that.
Oh, bro.
Bro, me and Nathan are fucking losing our minds right now, bro.
Dude, I needed this, thank you.
Lois, are you shocked as well?
Dude, I beg you, please stop.
Oh, fucking hell, bro. I was
Dude, this is a
stupid.
torture technique, you know? Adam, I beg you to stop it.
That's so cursed, bro. What the fuck?
I want to drag it all the way along. Let's see how Lotus does. Oh. How are we a bunch of adults being entertained
how am
by
I
something
21?
so stupid?
This is what I thought.
He looks like the fish from Flushed Away. Fucking Shark Tale.
Boys downstairs. No beard? Oh my god! Yuck!
No, put it back.
I don't
put
like
it
this.
back
I don't
on.
like this. I don't like this.
Lulu.
So bad.
Man's down bottom.
Oh, what did I stream
know.
tonight?
Jeff, I want. Jeff, what was? You looked like a beaver.
Adam, bite your lip right now.
No, I'm not biting my lip.
Please.
I'm too old for that shit, man.
What? Biting your lip?
Yeah,
Bite your lip.
my lips
There's
are
a little bit of
small.
sauce on your lip.
Adam, no one said it had to be the bottom one.
That's what I like to see. Yeah.
I'm going for my tooth surgery soon as well.
I need to. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it.
Oh, at the back?
I can see it.
Yeah.
One of these tooth I have down here, they've gotten a filling twice and it's starting to irritate me as shit right now. And I need to get it checked, but I just can't pay for it right now.
You're deafened. You're. Oh my god, bro. Coxie! You're deafened, bro. You dickhead.
Dude, when he realized it was going, it went from
Oh.
damn, looking like an idiot on camera. Caught in 4K. And what the fuck are you doing?
What the fuck?
Homemade.
Dentists in the future be like, "Hey, open your mouth real quick."
I'm trying to.
Bro, I can feel my entire phone on my heart.
Oh, what the? Now slide it further. Just.
Oh, I nearly got it, bro. I got a nice pop.
Nice. A nice what?
A nice pop. It's a Calippo.
Oh.
Wait, what do you think I said?
I thought you said a nice cock or a nice cock, and I was like, huh? What
I
did
mean,
you
it
say?
kind of does look like a nice willy. Look.
Whoa.
All right.
That's rush hour right there.
I think I'm gonna have to turn my cam off eating this.
No, go ahead.
Fuck off, dickhead.
No.
Continue.
I'm gonna catch my ass in 4K, man. I'm gonna eat it over here, man. I don't even know I'm eating it.
What the fuck? What are you gonna do?
Don't look at me like that, Jeff, mate. Oh, it's working!
Oh, you got it.
Yeah! Wait,
Show me your cock now.
Gosh, Buffalo. That.
What the fuck?
Big
Adam,
cam.
your mom's gonna be really proud seeing that on the internet.
Look, it's Jeff.
Oh.
So HD.
So wow.
Okay, that's
Oh,
not what I
that's
was looking to see, man.
Have fun blowing that.
Do it
bitch.
again, mate.
No. I'm not gonna get that.
Do you know what I'm on?
What?
Do you know what I'm on about?
Like eating breads?
No, like the yum always stuff, mate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's asking if you suck dick. There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah, Louis, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Yo, it's
Okay,
getting
my bro,
interesting.
can you just throw my ball, please?
That's going fucking insane.
Thank you, King Julian. You're so good,
Please
King
call
Julian.
Lulu Maurice now.
Oh, you
Please.
can do it, King Julian. Get the ball. Oh my God, you did it. King Julian.
She's so excited.
Oh my god.
She's just looking at you like, bro, please stop.